Hey kiddo! Did you know that the lullaby, Rockabye Baby, was actually inspired by Native Americans? They used a special kind of baby carrier called a cradleboard, which was like a basket that kept the baby safe and cozy. Sometimes they would hang the cradleboard from a tree branch to keep the baby away from bugs and animals. And while the baby was swaying in the wind, the mothers would sing a lullaby. And now, you can learn to play it on the piano. If you would like to learn more songs like this, please remember to ask your mommy or daddy to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.